Sesame seeds or till are a rich source of calcium and other minerals. This is very suitable for lunchboxes. You can even make it with leftover rice. This sesame seed rice is yummy and nutritious. After dry roasting red chillies for 2 minutes, transfer to a plate. Here add urad dal, roast on a low flame until they turn golden. To the same pan, add sesame seeds. When the seeds crackle, add curry leaves. I have used black sesame seeds, you can use white also. It is said that black sesame seeds are more nutritious, but there is not much of a difference in their nutritional profile. Let all the ingredients cool down, transfer to a mixture jar, add jaggery, that's optional, and salt and blend. So here I have cooked 2 cups rice. Make sure that the cooked rice is not mushy. For this, while pressure cooking the rice, for 1 cup rice, take 1.5 cups water. 2 cups rice, I had to use 3 cups water. And I've added a little bit of salt and I'm adding the powder that we have made now. Mix it well. Now I'm heating sesame seed oil. Use only sesame seed oil and not any other oil. And when the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add chana dal, urad dal, dry red chillies. And until the lentils turn golden, switch off the flame and add hing and curry leaves. Add this tempering to the mixed rice. Yummy temple style sesame seed rice is ready.